Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to the next way trading. Today, I have a new free script for you, and I'm gonna show you how we are gonna using it, how to install inside your app IQ option platform, and the way is you need to follow these things before to take it with your real account. And let's go to watching this step by step. So the first thing you have to do is go into the links below in this video. Register and open your account with Pocket Option or QUOTEX if you want to use it. I like it FOREX, and I'm gonna explain why, for different reasons. Or Pocket Option, maybe it's gonna be better for this indicator I'm gonna show you right now. After to opening your account, you need to make your deposit. Then you send to us your information, and my team is gonna send to you this script if you want to use it. The script that you prefer, spawn resistant, the flag script, or the script now. I have 3 right now to use it. So this is the way we are gonna use it. And when you receive the file, you're gonna see almost a file like this. When you have this file, you're gonna open it. Let's go to open this file, flag indicator. So let's go to select all of them. And inside your platform with IQ option, let's go to scripts. No, let's go to scripts here. Add new script. We are gonna delete all this. Only leave it the number 1. Paste. Save. And that's it. Okay, let's go to indicator script. Let's go to flag, and we have the indicator. But right now the market is OTC. Let's go to watching in the OTC market, right? So how we are gonna using it is gonna be so simple, guys. We are gonna trade for 1 minute. See it? And the moment appears our indicator, the flag, okay? So for example, we receive the alert here, we trade for 1 minute here. If we trade for a call here, definitely is going to be out the money. But we need to watch the extremes too. We are waiting here for a put flag and waiting to that signal to trading for 1 minute. Let's go to open the rest of the chart. Let's go to change the amount, and we're going to trade with $50. Okay, let's go to trade with $50. I don't want to I have to trust a lot with OTC market. Well, let's go to check it out and see how writable can be this indicator using it on this way. Okay, let's go to wait on GBP or GPY, and that's it. Let's go to watching 4 pairs and waiting for my signal. Okay, and this indicator is going to work in 1 minute. Let's go to change the time frame. Change the time frame, and that's it. Going to be a good reason this doesn't move a whole lot. Okay, change the time frame. Let's go to change right now and wait to receive the signals. We have our first signal. Let's go to check it with $100. We trade for 1 minute and see how ending this signal. This is the first one we receive it. It is deep. A few seconds. Let's go to wait. Doesn't say victory yet. This is one of the best ones that I saw. Let's go to watch to see how it ended. And that's it. This is how works this indicator for binary options. It's simple. We receive the alert, we see the flag, and we trade for 1 minute. Depends what direction tell me the indicators to take it. Send me a put signal, I trade for a put for 1 minute. If it send me a call signal, I'm gonna trade for a call for 1 minute. If you want to use in this indicator, I'm gonna leave it the link below in this video. Remember, register, make your deposit, and send to us your information, and I'm gonna share with you more details about this. This is how we are gonna trade, this is how we are gonna use it, and the way to generate profit with this indicator is gonna be so simple. And if you follow these simple steps, it don't require too much experience, don't require too much time. Just watching a few, I don't know, 1 hour per day, you can have a good profit with this indicator for binary options. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave your comments below in this video, and see you in the next web.